Assalamu alaikum. Today we're going to set my Islamic Hijri calendar together. It comes packed like this, and after we remove the packaging, we take this part and we'll start removing the pieces that we need and setting it on the calendar board itself. So we'll start with the days of the week, then the months, and then the years, and the numbers of the dates, and the moon phases. Let's start, shall we? So the days starts with Al-Ahad, number 1, number 2 Al-Ithnain, number 3 Al-Thulatha, number 4 Al-Arbi'a, number 5 Al-Khamis, number 6 Al-Jumu'ah, and number 7 As-Sabt. Now the months. The first month is Muharram, and is a holy month. All the holy months are marked with a star. Second is Safar. Third is Rabi' al-Awwal. Then fourth is Rabi' al-Thani, al-Akhir. Fifth is Rabi' al-Jumad al-Ula. Sixth is Jumad al-Thaniya, al-Akhira. Seventh is Rajab, another holy month. Eighth is Sha'ban. Ninth is Ramadan. 10th is Shawwal. 11th is Dhul Qa'dah, which is a holy month. And 12th is Dhul Hijjah, another holy month, and the last month of the year. Now we're going to set the years: 1445, 1446, 1448, 1448, and 1449. And when you run off the date, don't hesitate to send us an email, and we'll provide you with the next 5 years. We'll put the Eids, Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha. Now the moon phases. First one is the new moon, and they go anti-clockwise. Second is waxing crescent. Third, first quarter. Fourth is waxing gibbous. Fifth is full moon. Sixth is waning gibbous. Seventh is last quarter. And the last one is the waning crescent. Now it's which position of the world you are in. You're going to put them here. There's 3 of them, and this is where we are. Now we're going to put the numbers of the days. The numbers to set the days. So start with 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. We set 4, and 9. Now we're going to set the date of today. So today is Monday. The date is the 24th based on the local moon sighting of the UK. So that's 24. And the month is Dhul Hijjah. And the year is 1445. And the moon phase is the waning crescent. And that's how you set my Islamic Hijri calendar.